Hello, lovely people. I uh, I just went to Trader Joe's, and because it's raining, and that way it's not going to be as busy. And there's a couple things that occurred to me. It's sort of like a fun experience when you're shopping in Trader Joe's because uh, people are friendly, helpful, and it's just sort of a lot of conversation, community, and laughter. But then when I came home and I ran in the house with my groceries, and it was raining. Wait, the dandelions are out there somewhere. Um, I put away the groceries and I just came to sit outside for a moment and just pause and listen to the rain, watch the rain. Hmm. Just watching the raindrops gather on the leaves and fall. There's something settling and peaceful about it. Also noticing the way the water nourishes this tree. It's starting to turn really spring green in my yard. I think I can go there so you can see it. So it's just, yeah, greening up. Anyway, just thought I'd share. It's always good to take a little moment to be with what is. Blessings on this day.